Hello friends, as you know that in this time where there are so many people who are discussing about the women empowerment, women reservation bill, and there's so many things which is happening in the nation. I think that this is the right time we should try to discuss all these topics because this is affecting our nation and it has a great value in our nation. And some weeks ago, I would say in the 4 or 5 days ago, government passed a bill, women reservation bills, and according to this bill, there are so many women who can take part, who can become the MP, and they will go to the parliament and represent the people. So I think that this will definitely increase the confidence, and that will just also give leadership to the women that how they can lead the nation, lead the states, and I think that will definitely affect the nations, states, and our village positively. And this is the good things, and I personally appreciate this. But I think that sometimes it happens that sometimes people think that this is the only tools that by adopting that we can make ourselves strong and great. I think it's okay to utilize that, but I think at the same time it is also important to make our personal labor effort. Generally in our society people generally don't make the personal labor effort, and they try to say that another people is responsible for this and I am not responsible for this. If I am weak, it means other people has already oppressed me and I am not. I think this is not good thing. We should try to understand our values. We should try to not understand ourselves that we are the only what's the materialistic or only body. We are also values. We are the what's the, we are the human, and we also have the equal values as another people has. Have. So this is very important that we should not think that we are the only body. And today I was seeing one video in the YouTube of Achar Prasant, and I saw that he was discussing about that don't consider yourself as a body, just try to fight for your freedom, and freedom is the very important things. If you have achieved something in your personal life, then try to think that this is your thing. Otherwise, if someone has achieved, don't think that that is yours. That is not yours. For example, if another people is earning money and I am just buying something from the market and I am saying that this is my property, this is that is not correct, because I have taken the money from another one else and I am dependent on another one else. So that material, that things also belong to that person. So it is important to think in positively and try to explore ourselves, try to give much more exposure to us. I think this is the very important for us and for the society. And I think that I was when I was also seeing the parliamentary debate. I think there are so many people who are welcoming all these steps, and I also agree because from the government side it is very important. And I think most of the time government is taking government always take a positive step, but at the same time it is important from our side. But generally it happens na, if you take the example of village, generally it happens that government give just seat, reserve that seat for the women, so women contest the election. But generally what happens, women do not go to the booth or some to do some political work. They just send to their our husband, our husband take participate in those programs and say to her wife, you just stay at the home and don't worry about this, I will handle all the things, and they say it's okay. So I think that sometimes I'm not criticizing anyone else, I'm just putting my own thoughts. If I'm wrong, I'm sorry for that. But I think generally it happens that the website it's okay, you go and you do my own work and it's okay, just take my sign, and that is obscene and they think that they're empowered. I don't, this is not real empowerment. This is the only signature empowerment, and which is not good things. Empowerment is that if you have confidence, just to go among the peoples, say something, put your thoughts, express yourself, and at the same time if you have empowered, so try to empower another woman and try to impress them by your thoughts, by your work. And I think this is the only way. Otherwise I think that if we are sending our husband in our place and we are saying that our husband is doing so much great work and I am just enjoying that success, I think this is not good things. I think personal level is success personal. It's okay that I can for some time anyone can say that support that can say that any husband can say my wife have supported, it's okay, this is good things. But I think that wife also takes some good step, some steps, so that they can become strong in at the personal level. Actually they could not be dependent financially for anyone else, because this is actually sometimes it shows that sometimes it create problems in their life to make the decision. They somewhere they will be dependent mentally as emotionally on the husband, so or any man. I think this is little bit not good. We are making our relationship strong, we are good women. So at the same time it is very important to maintain the relationship and grow up in the relationship and respect and love each other. But at the same time I think we should also try to establish in the society, and for the woman it is very important that go among the society, try to establish yourself, learn something and explore something and distribute that knowledge among the peoples, and that will be the only way. And I think this is the real woman empowerment. So thank you so much.